Joey, do you mind?
I'm Teeter Trailer here a little bit and got to meet them a little bit, and they asked some questions about being here at Indy and you know, significance of this race, and had a fun time meeting them. So basically, you know, we have two really big stages to race on throughout the year, and the two biggest ones I feel like are Indy and Daytona, and it means a lot to win at these racetracks. So those are. They had some questions about the racetrack, and you know, what our strategy is going to be today, and just kind of went through some of that and how we plan on winning this thing today. I think it's great to do because, you know, without them, we can't do what we want to do. You know, we can't do what we love here, and I've been fortunate enough to go on a few USO tours, and most recently to Kuwait and Germany with Stenhouse, and you know, we're able to meet some of them and learn what they do, you know, and have a greater appreciation for them than I did going into it, and seeing what they do there in person. And they're all a bunch of great guys, so it's a lot of fun.
Everybody right here, please. 1, 2, 3. One more. 1, 2, 3.